Thanks for taking time out of your busy day. My name is Ether, and this is Automedi, the world's first sustainable care product microfab unit. COVID-19 mercilessly exploited weaknesses in the global health supply chain. In the UK, this manifested in a tripling of the number of absences at this time of year, and a total increase in salary costs of £14.4 billion. It also caused an extra £32 billion of spend over and above the expected budget for health in 2020 and 2021, an increase of 22.5%. At the same time, the NHS is the UK's biggest single carbon producer. Its footprint is the equivalent of 22.8 million tonnes of carbon dioxide, the same amount as 2.8 million households in the UK, or a figure above the total combined value of Manchester and Leeds. So just imagine if the NHS could take control of its supply chain, allowing them to print on demand equipment that they need, reduce their carbon footprint, and get equipment and products into the hands of health workers in a fraction of the current time. That is Automedi's aim. Automedi combines 3D printing, an easy-to-use vending machine-like interface, recyclable plastics, and innovative models, packages them in a managed service available to health establishments for one fixed monthly subscription. Users simply walk up to the machines, select what they need, it extrudes it and makes it, they use it, and then we recycle it. Comparing this to existing supply chains and even the new dedicated PPE supply, Automedi offers significant temporal and financial benefits and allows healthcare professionals to get products into their hands faster than ever before. Comparing traditional models, it compares extremely favorably. There are substantial savings to be made, not least in the removal of all emissions, which in turn saves the NHS over £220 million in treating respiratory diseases caused by the equivalent of its own supply chain's emissions. To take an example, we produce fitted mask frames. These frames are printed folded. Once complete, the supports in between are removed and it is placed in warm water at 75 degrees or above. They are then unfolded and then molded to the contours of the wearer's face. They can also be reused should the wearer lose weight, and this provides significant savings over the NHS's existing supply. Fitted mask frames currently cost around £65. Automedi's 2p equivalents allow healthcare to break even after only 2 prints a month. It doesn't require any special training, reducing the onboarding costs, can quickly provide equipment for both new NHS cohorts and bank and agency nurses for a fraction of the current cost. Fitted mask frames previously costing £1.1 million, we reduced the cost down to £371.34. This project would not have been possible without our partners, who you can see here. So what do we now want? It's simple. We just want to help. We want to close the gaps in COVID-19 supply, while also gathering regulatory and conformance information to help influence and shape future legislation around 3D printing. We'd love to talk to you a bit more about Automedi and show you what it can do. I've been Ether. This has been Automedi.